All right, this is my 1999 Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to do a modification to it that I've seen on other vehicles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these amber lights and I'm going to put them in that stinger bar. Like, you've probably seen that before on other vehicles, where they have the 3 amber lights in the grill. You see it a lot on trucks. I thought that might look kind of cool on this. So yeah, I got these on Amazon. It was a pack of 8. They're LED. Cost me, I don't know, less than $10 for a pack of 8. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put them on here and we'll see how it looks. All right, I want to show you how I'm going to wire this. So this is the blinker right here. The bulb, just turns in the back and comes out. This is a 2-piece connection where the wiring goes. It just comes, look at there. I'm making that connection. This has 3 wires on it, as you can clearly see. Right now, inside the vehicle, I have the key in the ignition because you cannot turn the blinkers on without having the key in the ignition. One of these has power all the time. This one's power all the time, meaning it's running the parking lights. The one on the end is running the turn signal. That bulb is a 2-way bulb, okay? When I go to wire these lights in my stinger bar, these kind of amber running lights, I'm gonna tap into the middle wire because, like I said, that's getting 12 volts. When the parking lights are on, I'm not going to wire it obviously to the blinker. I don't want them to flash. I just want them to be on when I turn on the parking lights. So I'm going to be tapping into that middle wire. And on my Jeep, it looks like it's black with a yellow stripe or a white stripe. Could be black with a yellow stripe. But yep, I'm going to tap into that middle one that's getting 12 volts when the parking lights are on. All right, I wanted to say something quick about these bulbs. These are just LED bulbs. They're actually pretty durable. I've used them before. They come in a variety of colors. You can get any color you want. I buy them on Amazon. You can usually get a pack of 5 or 6 for less than $10. They're really cheap. When you're wiring LED bulbs, they are directional. So yellow in this case is going to be positive. you cannot reverse them or they will not work. Like if I put the yellow on the negative, no light, okay? Like, so make sure that you wire them directionally. Does not look too bad. I like it. Yeah.